Hello everyone. So I'm going to discuss evaluating with validity of an environment and circuit diagram with closure table, truth table, switches, and Euler diagram. Evaluating the validity of an argument.
Maklaro ay matabunan.
So, if it's raining, and then the ground is wet. Therefore, the ground is wet. So it's raining is P. P is true, and the ground is wet is Q. So we make a truth table. Mali pa bu. Truth table. P and Q and P and Q. And for column I4 so T true, false, true, false. So if it's raining, then the ground is wet. So true. And false, true, and true. So yeah. So we're gonna solve this circuit diagram of truth table. P this is AND negation R or Q and R or negation P and Q R. So Q P Q R. So on. At ka on and 4 off. 4 din off. So Q is on, off, off. So R is on, off, on, Yan. So, negation P, opposite lang siya. So, off, 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 on. So, Q naman po is off, 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 off. Ay, on, off, and on. So, negation na po sa R, opposite na po siya. Off, on, off, on, off, on. So, next is Q, and R. So, Q and negation R. So, Q and negation R. So, this is a false. Ay, off. So, this is naman is on. So, this naman is false. So, off, on, off, so yan. Next is negation Q and R. So, negation Q and R is, this is a off because it's an in off. Q and R, this is on, off, 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 on. No. Q and R. On and on. A is off. Ay, wala pala siya. Off. Off siya, guys. Yun, dito ka mag-base. Dito. So, next is Q and R, or Q and R. Yan. So, mag-base naman kayo dito and dito. Kaning dalawa. So, ito is off is off. So, on and off is on. So, dito is on, off, off, on, off. So, next naman tayo is P and Q, R, Q and R. So, mag-base naman tayo dito sa P and dito. P and dito. So, on and off is false. Ay, off. So, this is on. Dito ka mag-base ha. Dito mag-base. So, off, off. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Off siya lahat. Off. Sa may off. Dalawang off kayo. Next is negation P and negation Q. Ito naman tayo. Because. So, magbe-base kayo dito sa negation P and Q. Dito. So, this is 8 off. Dito kayo mag-base, guys. Off. off, off, on, on, and on. So, yun. So, dito kayo mag-base sa negation P and negation Q. True dito. If may off, off kayo. If on, dalawang on is on. On. So, kayo mag-base. So, next is P, negation P, and yan, and in Q and R. So, mag-base naman kayo sa dito and R. And R. Dito kayo mag-base. So, is off, on siya, off. Siya lang yung on kasi dalawang on kasi siya, so on. So the last is P and Q and R. Yan. So, bibis naman kayo dito sa ito. Wait lang. Sa P, Q, R dito and kanin dalawa. Yung dalawa, guys. So, ito at ito. So, ay off. Ito kayo mag-base. True. Ay on. On. Off. On. Off. So, yun. Ito po yung paan ka. The conclusion is ito po yung so, that's all. Thank you. So, number 1, this is a Euler diagram. So, number 1, all dogs are mammals. All dogs, mammals are animals. Therefore, all dogs are animals. So, circle, this is animals, all animals and dogs. The point is this. The conclusion is all dogs are animals. So number 2, all squares are rectangles. Some rectangles are squares. Therefore, some squares are not rectangles. So, square, rectangles. So the point is this. Because some squares are not rectangles. So number 1 is the argument is valid, and number 2 is valid. So number 3, some students are athletes. Some athletes are tall. Therefore, some students are tall. So, students and tall So this point is this because some students are tall. This is a invalid. Invalid. All cats are mammals. Some some mammals are pets. Therefore, some cats are pets. So cats, pets, point this because some cats are pets. Cats, pets is same because it's a pet. So number 5. No fish can fly, all birds can fly. Therefore, no fish are birds. So this is not because it's not a same animals or because is fish cannot fly and birds is can fly. So not fish and birds. Point is fish. So that's it. This is our Euler diagram.